One of the most important things in a YouTube video is its thumbnail, as this is the first thing that viewers are going to see. If you have a good thumbnail, they might just click on it. Now usually you'd want your thumbnail to be captivating, smooth, clean on the edges, but I don't know how to do any of that, so here's how not to make a thumbnail by LinkTRC. Oh, wait, no, we're not there yet. Roll back. So first you're going to grab a web browser of your choice. Then you're going to search up Blockbench. The first result should be, Blockbench. Once you're here, you can open the web app. Click on Minecraft skin and create new model. Next, create a new tab. Search up Minecraft skins. Should be the first result, minecraftskins.com, the skin dex. Go to skin grabber, type in your username, and grab your skin. Alternatively, you could use the Minecraft player skin grabber tool and search up your username here if the skin dex servers are down. Back over to Blockbench, you're going to choose what your skin is made for. For me, it's wide. Alex is slim and Steve is wide. Resolution, you're just going to leave as default. And then the texture, you're just going to find the one that you downloaded. Bam shazam, click layer texture and remove pose. Now we have your Minecraft player, but you'll notice there's a layer that's missing. But you'll probably notice that there's. We can go down here, and anything that's hidden, just click the visibility. Now we have the full skin. After that, you're just gonna want to go over here, export GLTF, embed textures, export groups as armature, check that, uncheck export animations. Click confirm, and then save to wherever you'd like it to be saved. Open up a new tab. Search up Blender. Click on blender.org. Download the latest version. During this tutorial, you can look down here and you can see exactly what I pressed to do stuff. So just pay attention to this if you don't understand something. Then go over to File, Import, and then GLTF. Import it, just zoom in a bit with the scroll wheel. Go over to Textured View, or Viewport Shading. Over here in the toolbar, you can see there are all these different armatures. Click one of them, shift click the last. Hold down Control, press Tab, so now you're in pose mode. But you want to pose your character and you don't know how to do that.
Yeah, even if you know how to do it, they don't.
First thing we're going to want to do, click on the one inside the head. If it says body here, then go down into this little posing guy icon right here and deselect shapes. Now I know this is a bit confusing, but this is now the body bone. This really doesn't matter what it looks like so long as you can actually pose it. This bone right here is now the head bone. Now that we have all of our bones here, we can start posing our character. Pose your character how you would like it to be posed. Awesome, now we've got something that I'm kind of happy with. Hold Control and then press Tab to get out of pose mode. Hit Shift A and add a camera. Yay! Now we have a camera. If you have a numpad, make sure numlock is on and press 0 to go into the camera view. Or alternatively, you can press this button over here to toggle the camera view. Go over to View, Navigation, and click Walk Navigation. Now you can kind of fly around with the controls of like Minecraft. Just kind of position it to where you'd like the camera to be. I think somewhere around here is pretty good. Nice. Before we can do anything though, we must add a light. I'm gonna add a point light up here for just some overhead light. Where did it go? So now you can see there is more light on this side than there is on his face. Let's go over to render. Now I'm gonna leave the render engine as Eevee. Eevee is just a lightweight rendering mode. I don't really know. It's just like really easy to render and it takes like 2 seconds. Stay in the render tab, scroll down, and go over to film. Click transparent. Now the entire background should be transparent. The next thing we've got to do, click render, render image, and wait for it to load. As you can see, it's already done rendering and it took like half a second. But like not even once, like literally half a second. Click image, save as. Now that we have all this, it's time to get our photo editor. Clipchamp, import media. Once you have it imported, you can just drop it in here and rescale it to how you'd like. Next up, I'm gonna change the background color to just be a little lighter of a gray, like that. That's much better. Now, you can add text. You can go over into the text settings and change what it looks like in the font and stuff. As well as this, you can select one word and highlight it to change just that word's color. I honestly love that feature, it's pretty cool. Then you can scale it up. You can even actually put the character on top of the text to give it a little bit of a 3D effect. Now that we have this, we're gonna click escape, make sure it's in this view, make sure you have nothing selected, and screenshot it. This should be around the same resolution as it should be, but it probably isn't sometimes, so you have to screenshot it. I don't know. Next, open up the Paint app. Paste it in there. Immediately close it off. This is gonna pop up, do you want to save your work? Speaking of saving your work, do you want to save your work with today's sponsor, Raid Shadow? I'm kidding. Do you want to save my work by subscribing? You should
Please, it's been a
Yes, save your work. And bam, now you've created your own thumbnail. It's pretty cool.